You're on.
Good morning, Martin and Jamie. This is a beautiful Saturday morning in California, but the wind is a little bit too strong, to burn this thing outdoor. So I have to move the location to this, the entrance to the warehouse store here, where we shelter from the wind and do some burning. For the past 2 months, we've been working to create this formulation to pass your horizontal flame test. And this morning I'm very happy to tell you that we have what we're looking for. Okay, now first of all, I'm going to do a little burn testing for you, similar to the one I presented to you about three weeks ago. This is a piece of foam made up with the latest formulation. When it burns, you would notice that it gives out a little bit less smoke than the previous one. And also the time to achieve total flame out is a little shorter than the previous one. Total flame out, that means when you burn, set the fire, put this thing on the fire, the flame go forward and then it will be totally extinguished by itself. That's what they call total flame out. With the last one, the total flame out is approximately 4 minutes. With this one, I expect it to be about 2.5 minutes. And also, after the burning, I want you to pay attention to the shape of the foam. You'll notice that the shape of this piece of foam will be maintained in such a way that is a lot better than the last one. This is a good indication that the total foam content retention is what it means, and which is a good indication that the foam can have a better flame resistance than all the other formulation that we did before. So let me set the timer and do some burning. I'm going to set the timer at 20 minutes, and it's going to go downward, and you can notice how long it takes to achieve the total flame out. Okay. As you observed, the time it takes the foam to get total flame out is less than 2 minutes. I forgot to press one thing on, so you add another 30 seconds to it. It's about a minute and a half. Now if you compare this piece of foam with the one that I showed you at the previous video, both of them, they are 34 inches long. And if we look at the mark on the burn mark, the first one, they come to here, and this one, there is about less than 0.2 meter. It's got the mark compared to 2. And then you measure up. So this is a lot better than before. And you also notice that with the previous one, the foam burn and it is integrated and it falls off. It doesn't stay on. And also with the inside here, you know, kind of hollow. But with the new one, apparently it doesn't advance as much as it was before. That is a good indication that the flame was poisoned right at the beginning of ignition, and it got immobilized, and it lost ability to move forward. In order to show you how the flame resistance, you know, is improved over the last one, I designed a little jig to simulate the type of the manner that the foam panels was burned at your test. So here it goes. I have a cement board here, and I spray about 25 millimeter thickness of foam onto the board. This is about 25 millimeter. And at the beginning of the board, I purposely spray a little bit more, double the thickness to about 15 millimeter. This is to create a scenario that makes sure that, you know, it's a little bit worse scenario than, you know, the test required. Here is the distance marker from the ignition point, 1.1 meter, 0.25, half, to 0.75 meter. This is the distance marker will give you a better idea about how the foam advances during the burning. So I'm going to set this up and then do the burning.
Never mind it. Dad. So shit, at the end, you only got 30 seconds left.
Now we look at the foam here, the marker here. The mark here indicates that the frame advanced to about 1.2 meter. Now your test requirement, in order to pass, the frame cannot advance past 2.37 meter. So the 0.7 meter here is only 33% of the allowable distance for the frame to move. So with this result, I am very confident to state that this formulation will definitely satisfy your requirement. If you look at the form of the frame advance on this end here, apparently the frame was poisoned, immobilized, and then died at around the 1 meter mark, and it cannot go on anymore. So I'm pretty sure that with this formulation, you will pass your test with fine color. Okay. Before I go on, I want to introduce you the other stand. This is Travis Tam, my son. Travis graduated from UC Berkeley Engineering School with a degree in electrical engineering and computer. And he also have an MBA from UC Davis. Just like you say, Martin, this foam project is one of your sunset project. So is this formulation for me. So Jamie, you and Travis, should get together sometime and get acquainted. We senior people, old folks, create a vision and a product. It's up to you young people to carry the ball forward and bring it to a high level. We senior people would rather spend our time, doing wine, beer, cruises, and dancing with pretty women. Do you tango, Martin? Well, anyway, enough joking. I spent almost 2 months since the end of May that when you told me our old formulation, is not up to par with your testing parameter. And I stopped and put every other project on hold. And I concentrate all my attentions and resources to make this formulation come true. In a way, there's been lots of heartburns, disappointments, but we finally get to this day, that we make it work. At this end, we replace almost all the components in the formulation, with the exception of the foam agent. So this is a brand new formula, and we complete this task in less than 60 days. That is a record. So I'm going to pass the ball back to you guys. I just hope that you will have the same dedication as I do when I develop this formula and sell millions of this foam kit, okay? And I hope that you sell so many kits that by the time I take my lady on the next cruise, I'm able to book myself a soy suite instead of a clumsy balcony suite that I'm doing right now. Okay, Martin? Well, jokes aside, finally I want to remind you that the lead time for your first order will be a little bit longer than usual. This is because some of the chemical components, they are brand new, they are unusual, and it takes time to order and time for them to be delivered. And also, we have to modify our equipment and machineries. The equipments have to be modified, and there are machinery that got to be purchased and installed before we run this formula. And also, there's a learning curve that we have to go through in producing this new product. But after the first couple orders, the lead time will be back to normal. Okay, so I'm going to send out the sample kits that you that requested sometime next week, and I'm going to wait for your good news. Okay, so go well, take care, and ciao.